Hello students, welcome to time classes. This class is Venn diagram part 2. Handout code is LRHO 3501808. In this class, we'll be discussing Venn diagram for 3 and Venn diagram for 4. But one thing which we are doing, we'll try to avoid making equations. So wherever we get a lead, we will try to fill it directly at the concerned area or a specific region. Let's understood this method through different sets. Coming to first set, that is question number 14 to 17. In a school of 600 students, strength of the school is 600. 350 students do not play hockey. So out of 600 students, 350 students do not play hockey. Can we safely say 250 play hockey? 330 students do not play cricket out of 600 and 310 do not play football. Total strength of the school is 600. 350 students do not play hockey. 330 students do not play cricket and 310 do not play football. So we write this: not hockey 350, not cricket 330 and not football 310. Can we safely say not hockey is 350, total strength was 600, so 250 play hockey. Now in this 250, all the 4 region which is coming under the circle of hockey comes in. That means these 4 region add up to 250. And so on we can conclude. Let's complete the set. Let's move the further instructions. Then he said 470 students play cricket or football, or means union. 470 students play cricket or football. 430 students play football or hockey. And 450 students play hockey or cricket. So we write cricket or football, or means union. Cricket or football 470. Football or hockey 430. Hockey or cricket 450. I hope this is correct. 470 cricket football, 430 football or hockey, and 450 hockey or cricket. Then he says 30 students do not play any of the 3 games. So I think this 30 can be straight away placed. 30 is none. So 30 students play none of the 3, either hockey or cricket or football. So we mark 30 as. We want to avoid making equations. We want to directly frame this, directly fill the diagram. Let's see how can we do. First of all, cricket or football is 470. Total strength of the class school is 600. Now this cricket or football is represented by which region? Just see the diagram. I'd make different shapes. Where this shapes is coming, star shape is coming, this is cricket or football. Sum of these 6 region is 470. So outside this 6 region is 130, because total strength of the school is 600. Can you say remaining 130? Now outside this 6 region, there are only 2 region left. One is none, which is 30, and one is only hockey. Sum of these 2 is 130, that is remaining. So can we safely infer or conclude that exactly hockey, only hockey is 100? I can repeat this once again. Just look at cricket or football. It is 470. So cricket or football is the sixth region represented in the diagram through star. There are total 8 regions. So out of these 6 regions, which 2 regions are left? One is none. Second is only hockey. Now if sum of these 6 regions is 470, total strength is 600. So remaining is 130. Now in this 130, none comes, which is 30. So remaining hockey comes out to be 100. So we place 100 in only hockey. Then look to football or hockey. Football or hockey is 430 given. Out of 600, 430 play football or hockey. Now what are the regions represented by football or hockey? Is this star shaped? There are 6 regions, different stars. 6 regions, their sum is 430. So can I say remaining is 170? Now in this remaining 170, 2 regions are left. One is none, which is 30. So out of 170, 30 goes for none. So how much is remaining? 140, which comes for only cricket, which is beyond hockey or football. This 140 comes here. Just consider it once again. Football or hockey is 430. So these 6 regions represent 430. There are total 8 regions. One region 30 is not among these 430. Outside none wala part. Total is 600. So if 430 goes out, how many are remaining? 170. 170 is the sum of only cricket plus none. Only cricket is 30. We can safely say only cricket is, none is 30. So only cricket is 140. I hope this is clear. Then similarly look at hockey or cricket. Hockey or cricket. Hockey or cricket is 450. Now which region shows hockey or cricket? These 6 regions shown in the diagram are hockey or cricket. So except these, how many are left? Remaining are 600 minus 450 is 150. Now remaining 2 regions whose sum is 150, one is only football and second is none. None is 30. Only football comes out to be, what should be added in 30 to get 150? It's 120. Only football comes out to be 120 because hockey or cricket is 450. So remaining is 150. Now remaining 2 regions add up to only football and none. 120 plus 30 is 150. So we use this set of information completely. I hope this is clear. Moving further, not hockey is 350. Not hockey means outside hockey. Outside hockey, there are 4 regions, out of which 3 regions value we already know. So out of not hockey is 350, not hockey is 350. Can you say not hockey is these 4 regions? 3 regions we know. So what comes in this region? Not hockey, 350 minus 140 plus 120 plus 30. 140 plus 120 is 260 plus 30 is 290. So 350 minus 290 is 60, which comes in the remaining region. Because not hockey is outside hockey. Outside hockey it is given as 350. So 350 comprises of 4 regions, which is 140, 120, 30 and a region which is not marked. So that value can be calculated, which is shown by an arrow. The region value can be calculated. 350 minus 140 plus 120 plus 130. 350 minus 140 plus 120 is 260 plus 30 is 290. So 350 minus 290 is 60. 60 comes here. Now just look, not cricket. Not cricket is 330. Outside cricket, sum should be 330. This is shown by a different figure. Now out of these 4 regions, 3 value we know. So what comes into this unknown area, region which does not know, balance is 330 minus 100 minus 120 minus 30. 120 plus 30 is 150 plus 100 is 250. So 330 minus 250 is 80. So 80 comes in the region which is shown by an arrow, because outside cricket should be 330. Three values we already know, so we calculated the fourth value. Then look at not football. Not football is 310. So anything outside football, sum has to be 310. Outside football, how many regions are there? 4. 3 we already know. So not football is represented by this quadrilateral, this figure. 3 value we know. So 310 minus 100 minus 140 minus 30 gives me the value of this unknown region. This is outside, not football. That is not football. 100 plus 140 is 240 plus 30 is 270. So 310 minus 270 is 40, which comes in the region marked with an arrow. So here comes 40. I hope this is clear. Till now we use this second set of information also. Now just see what comes. This is 250. How do we know? Our first point says not hockey is 350. So in a school of 600, if 350 do not play hockey, so we can safely say 250 play hockey. Now 250 is sum of 4 regions which comes under hockey. 3 we already know. 100 plus 80 is 180 plus 40 is 220. So what comes in the remaining portion is 250 minus 220, which is 30, because sum has to be 250. Now this completes the whole diagram without using any equation. So we try to learn this method. We try to avoid making equations. If possible, directly place if possible. I hope this is clear. Now let's move to questions. It's a good set in which we are using all the properties which we learned in previous class. Not A union B, used in this set. First question. How many students play football and hockey? Football and hockey is 80 and football in hockey is also 30. So how many students play football and hockey? It's 80 plus 30, which comes out to be 110, which is our option as A. Once again, how many students play football and hockey? It's 80 plus 30, which is 110, which is given as option A. Question 15. How many students play only football? Just look at the diagram. It's a straightaway answer. How many students play only football is 120, which is given in option D. So how many students play only football? 120, which is option D. Question 16. How many students play only cricket and hockey? Only cricket and hockey. Achha, chalo, I ask a different question. How many play cricket and hockey? Is 40 plus 30, that is 70. But question is saying how many students play only cricket and hockey? Answer is 40, which is option D. 40, option D. I hope this is clear. Question 17. Straight away answer. You have to just look at the diagram. How many students play all the 3 games? How many students play all the 3 games? All the 3 games, that means the number of students who play hockey, cricket and football is represented by region coming in all the 3 circles, that is 30. Our option is C. 30, option C. I hope this is clear. Next, move to next set of questions. Now, we are solving by a different approach. This set. So, various instructions are given in form of a small paragraph. But one premise which we already know is none plus exactly 1 plus exactly 2 plus exactly 3 is 100%. That's for sure. It's a basic premise. It's not an equation. So we always remember this thing. And in this set, we'll be filling two things simultaneously. We'll filling diagram also plus values in this basic premise. Because universal set sum has to be 100%. Just look, I'm reading the instructions. In a colony, the resident read different newspapers. Three different newspapers comes: The Hindu, comma, the Times of India, which I write in as TOI, and Dainik Bhaskar, Dainik B. The Hindu written only Hindu, it's okay. Just representation we are using. Times of India short form TOI, and Dainik Bhaskar is Dainik B. Now, some of how many regions are there in this universal set? Total 8. Exactly 1 comprised of 3 regions. Exactly 2 comprised of 3 regions. Exactly 3 comprised of 1 region. And none comprised of 1 region. This region we have clearly shown in the previous class. Now it's saying it is known that 52% of the residents 52% of the residents read at most one newspaper. What does comes in at most one? At most one is none plus exactly one. So can we safely say this region is 52%? None plus exactly one. So what are left? Exactly 2 plus exactly 3. Now sum of all the 4 is 100%. None plus exactly 1 is 52% given. Can we safely infer that exactly 2 plus exactly 3 is 48%? What should we add in 52 to get 100? 52 plus 48 is 100%. So we'll be filling two things, box also, the diagrams also, and this premise also. It is known that 52% of the residents read at most one newspaper. At most one is 0 plus none plus 1. So if at most one is 52, so at least 2 are, at most one is 52, at least 2 are 48%. 42% of the residents read Times of India or Dainik Bhaskar but not the Hindu. It is as good as A or B but not C. Now these three regions comes into Times of India or Dainik Bhaskar or both Times of India and Dainik Bhaskar but out of Hindu. Their sum has to be 42%. 42% of the residents read the Times of India or Dainik Bhaskar but not the Hindu. So we can safely say this is 42%. Once again, 42% of the residents read the Times of India or Dainik Bhaskar but not the Hindu. So these three add up to 42%. Further, 54% of the resident read the Times of India. So 54% comes the Times of India. 54% of the resident read Times of India. Sure, we mark 54%. 24% of the resident read both the Hindu and Times of India. So 24 comes at this particular common region to Hindu and Times of India. That means 24 is sum of these two regions. All three plus only Hindu and Times of India add up to 24%. 42% is who read Times of India or Dainik Bhaskar but not the Hindu. And 54% of the resident read the Times of India. Then 24% of the resident read both the Hindu and Times of India and is written. So Hindu and Times of India. Moving further, 36% of the resident read exactly two newspapers. Just see, 36% read exactly two newspapers. Now exactly 2 plus exactly 3 is 48%. So if exactly 2 is 36%, we can safely say exactly 3 is 12%. 48 minus 36. Let's start filling it together. Exactly 3 we write is 12%, 48 minus 36. Reading it again, 36% of the resident read exactly two newspapers. So 48 minus 36 is 12%, which is exactly 3. Place it in the region which gives exactly 3. 12%, those who read, 12% of the total read all the three newspapers. You written 24% above. This is sum of these two regions, out of which one is 12%. So other is also 12%. We can safely conclude. That means Hindu and Times of India only is also 12%. All three is 12%. Some of these two add up to 24%, which is Hindu and Times of India. I hope this is clear. Exactly 2 is 36%, exactly 3 is 12%. 10% of the resident read only the Hindu and Dainik Bhaskar. 10% of the resident read only the Hindu and Dainik Bhaskar. So we write 10% here. Now one thing we know, exactly 2 adds up to 36%. Out of which two regions we know. Three regions comes into under exactly 2. 2 we had already marked. Their sum of all the three has to be 36%. So 12 plus 10 is 22%. If I subtract from 36, how much I am left with? 14%. This is 36%. How much I left with? 14%. Because exactly 2 is how much? Exactly 2 is 36%, which is sum of these three regions, and 10 plus 12% is 22%. Subtract from 36, I am getting 14%. Before reading further, Times of India total is 54%. Out of which 24% goes to Hindu and Times of India. So 54 minus 24 is 30%. Now 14%, what should we add to 14% to add up to 30%? It comes out to be, what comes here is 16%. So that total becomes 54%. I hope this is clear. Once again we can come. Times of India is 54%. 24% goes out, then remaining is 30%. 30%, one region is 14%. So what comes in this region marked with an arrow is 30 minus 14 is 16%. Also, if we move further, what comes in this region? We had marked 42% is sum of three regions, out of which two we know. 16 plus 14 is 30%. So 42 minus 30 is 12%, which comes in this particular area. Sum has to be how much? 12%. This is 42% of the resident reads the Times of India or Dainik Bhaskar, but not the Hindu. Since we already find the value of two regions out of these three, 16 and 14. 16 plus 14 adds up to 30. So 30% when subtracted from 42% gives me 12%. Had I know the value of exactly 1, I would have filled this only Hindu also. Because in exactly 1, 3 region comes and we are able to find 2 regions. Let's read further. Maybe we got some other hint. The number of residents who read all the three newspaper, which is 12%, we know, is twice the number of residents who read none of these newspapers. I'm reading it again. The number of residents who read all the three newspapers is twice the number of residents who read none of these newspapers. If none is 6%, because all three is twice of none. All three is 12%. So none is 6%. Now none plus exactly 1 add up to 52%. So none is 6%. None plus exactly 1 is 52%. So we can safely say exactly 1 comes out to be 46%. Now 46% is sum of three regions which comes into exactly 1, that is exactly Hindu, exactly Times of India and exactly Dainik Bhaskar. Only Hindu, only Times of India, only Dainik Bhaskar. Now what comes into only Hindu? 16 plus 12 is 28%. So if you subtract 28 from 46, you are left with 18%. Or we can do 46% minus 16% is 30%. 30% minus 12%, only Dainik Bhaskar, is 18%. That's only Hindu. And none is 6%. So that comes out to be outside region, which is 6% comes here. Now we had completed this whole diagram in percentages. Now we desperately need a value to get values of every specified region. Moving further, it said 2800 resident, 2800 resident read the Times of India and the Dainik Bhaskar. Now 2800 is represented by this region, which we mark as 14%. So we can say 14%, this region is 2800. So we can safely say 14% of total is 2800. So can I say total is 20,000? 14% of total is 2800. Total is 14 upon 100 of total is equal to 2800. Total comes out to be 20,000. That means all these percentages are to be calculated on a base value of 20,000. We are not drawing another diagram. We're just moving to questions. Whatever percentage we have to calculate, we'll calculate for 20,000. Now question 1. How many residents read only The Hindu? Only The Hindu is 18%. 18% of 20,000. 18% of 20,000 is 3600, which is given as option B. Am I clear? How many residents read only The Hindu? The Hindu is represented by 18%. 18% of total. 18% of 20,000. That comes out to be 18% of 20,000 is 3600. How many residents do not read any of the newspaper? Any of the newspaper is 6% of 20,000. 6% of 20,000 is nothing but 1200, which is option D. Question 20. How many residents read at least two newspaper? At least two newspaper? Just look your basic premise. At least two is 48%. At least two newspaper is 48%. Don't add up. There is an already premise being mentioned. At least two newspaper is 48%. 48% of 20,000. 48% of 20,000 is 9600, which is given as option A. You can add from the diagram also, but straight away it is given in front of you. So just try to find out. It's 48% of 20,000, which is 9600. How many residents are there in the colony? 20,000. You already calculated none plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is whole 100%. How many residents are there in the colony? 20,000. Option C. I hope this is clear. Next, move to 4 Venn diagram. Now before starting with, let me explain you the diagram. Just look at the first part. It says A, the region represented by A comes under the A, any region comes under A is reading A newspaper. Any region coming under B is reading B newspaper. Same applies to C and D. So before starting with this set, let's understood the 4 diagram. Now how do I write? There are 4 newspapers A, B, C and D coming. So how many people are reading exactly one? So there should be 4 regions. Exactly A, only A, that is represented by small a. Only B, only C and only D. The reason is they are reading A newspaper, B1 is B represent only B newspaper, C is representing only C newspaper, D is representing only D newspaper. Then exactly 2, that means the region which represent people, those who are reading exactly 2 newspapers. So there are 6 regions as shown. A plus B means the region is comprised coming under A as well as B. So number of coming here is reading both the newspapers. A plus C means it comes under A and it comes under C. This is outside B and outside D. So A plus C is represented by, A plus C means the people represented here are reading 2 newspapers. Newspaper A plus newspaper C. Similarly, A plus D is outside B and outside C. So it represents exactly 2, A plus D. So exactly 2 represents 6 region as shown. Now here C plus D is written. C plus D means those who are coming under C and D. So they are reading exactly 2 newspapers. Newspaper C plus newspaper D. B plus C means exactly 2 newspapers. Newspaper B and newspaper C. Now in which box B plus C is written? This box is outside A. So do not read A. And outside D. So do not read D. Then exactly 3 is sum of these 3 boxes. A plus B plus C means the region where box in which A plus B plus C is written, it means they are reading these 3 newspaper and this region is outside newspaper D. So they are not reading D. How many regions should be there? Those who are reading exactly 3. Indirectly we can say how many regions are there? Those who are not reading exactly 1. So they are reading exactly 3. So this is represented by 4 boxes. Now the box in which A plus B plus D is written in the last row. A plus B plus D. Now A plus B plus D is nothing but this is outside C. So they are not reading C newspaper but reading other 3. And then all 4 is a central box. A plus B plus C plus D. Now this box consists of 15 regions. So one region which is outside this is the which read none of the newspapers. That comes under none. We can write in a short form also. ABCD we have written region as 1 1. 1 1 means that come under exactly 1. Those who are reading 1. 2 denotes the region which are reading exactly 2. Then 3 and then 4. Now let's move to the question. Basic theory we have discussed. I hope this is clear. Exactly 1, exactly 2, exactly 3 and exact all 4. And this is the basic representation. 1 1, 1 4 ways, 2 represent, and 3, and then 4. Now, I am reading this set. A survey was conducted among some people. It was found that 330 people watch Discovery Channel. So we write 330 here. 330 people watch Discovery Channel. 330 watch Star World. 315 watch BBC. And 285 watch Star News. Just written 330 Discovery Channel, 330 Star World, 315 BBC, and 285 Star News. We will try to avoid equation or using variables as less as possible. So where we get a position, we directly place the value in the corresponding region. Reading once again, 330 watch Discovery Channel, 330 watch Star World, 315 watch BBC, and 285 watch Star News. The number of people who watch each combination of exactly 3 channels is 40. Now exactly 3 channels is represented by 4 regions. Reading it again, the number of people who watch each combination of exactly 3 channels is 40. That means this 40 is outside Star News. These are not watching Star News. But this 40 is inside Discovery. This 40 is inside Star World. This 40 is inside BBC. So they are watching these 3 channels. But they are outside Star News. So they are not watching Star News. This 40 just appear, comes is outside Discovery. But this is inside Star World, inside BBC, inside Star News. So watching 3 channels. Now this third 40 is outside BBC. But this comes into Discovery, this comes into Star World, this comes into Star News. And this fourth 40 is outside Star World. It comes under Discovery, it comes under BBC, it comes under Star News. I'm reading the statement back again. The number of people who watch each combination of exactly 3 channels is 40. Each is written there. So each means all three regions, any combination is 40. Moving further, the number of people who watch only Discovery Channel and BBC, that means the region which comes exactly under Discovery and BBC, outside Star World, outside Star News. The number of people who watch only Discovery Channel and BBC is 50. So 50 comes here. This region is inside Discovery and inside BBC, but outside Star World and outside Star News. 80 people watch only Discovery Channel. So 80 comes here. This is watch only Discovery Channel. They are outside the other 3. That is Star World, BBC and Star News. 100 people watch only Star World. So 100 people watch only Star World. It is outside Discovery, outside BBC, outside Star News. 90 watch only BBC. So this 90 comes under only BBC. It is outside Discovery, outside Star World, outside Star News. And 70 watch only Star News. This 70 is outside Discovery, outside Star World and outside BBC. It's only in Star News. I'm repeating it once again just to explain the concepts. Just now we filled the 4 entries exactly 1. And all 4 40s we filled exactly 3. And 50, the reason we mark 50 is exactly two, Discovery and BBC. Then he says 30 people watch only BBC and Star News. So this 30 comes here. It's only BBC and Star News is 30, 30. While 10 people watch all the 4 channels. So this common box is 10. 10 watch all the 4 channels. So whatever information is given till now, we had filled there. 1 point is left. Each person watch at least one channel. That is, none is 0. Each person watch at least one channel. None is 0. Now what comes in this region? BBC total is given as 315. So if we add all the regions, there are how many regions in BBC? 8. Out of which 7 values we know. So if we subtract sum of all 7 values from 315, we will get the value of this region. Let's add. 50 plus 40 is 90, plus 10 100, plus 40 140, plus 40 is 180, plus 30 is 210, plus 90 is 300. So when 300 is subtracted from 315, we get 15. So we get the value of this region 15. This 15 is exactly to Star World and BBC. Moving further, sum of Star News is 285. 2 boxes are vacant. So we add all the values in subtract from 285. So we get sum of these 2 boxes. 40 plus 40 plus 40 is 120. 10 plus 30 is again 40, which comes out to be 160. 160 plus 70 is 230. So 230 goes out from 285. What is left? 55. So if this region is A, the other region is 55 minus A, because their sum has to 55. We add all the values. 40 plus 40 plus 40, 120. 10 plus 30 is 40, 160. 160 plus 70 is 230. Subtract from 285, we get 55. 55 is sum of these 2 values. That is A. If one variable is A, other variable is 55 minus A. Now total discovery is 330, in which one box is vacant. Total Star World is 330, same one box is vacant. So what we do, we add for this box and get the value from this particular side. 330 में से add all the values and subtract from 330, so you got a value. It should be in this region. Let's add. 80 plus 40 is 120. 120 plus 10 is 130. 130 plus 40 is 170. 170 plus 50 is 220. 220 plus 40 is 260. So 330 minus 260 is 70. So 70 is sum of 2 regions. One is left, another is 55 minus A. So when 70 में से we subtract 55 minus A, we get A plus 15, which is the value of this region. Similarly, let's try from Star World. Sum of these values minus A give the value of the same region. So can we equate these 2 regions? Let's add. 40 plus 40 plus 40, 120, plus 10, 130, plus 100, 230, plus 15, 245. Now 245 plus 5 is 250. To 330 we required 80 more. Can you say 85 is sum of these 2 regions? So what is the value from this side? It comes out to be 85 minus A. It is representing the same region. Can we say this A plus 15 is equal to 85 minus A? For sure. So 2A is equal to 70. So A is equal to 35. We get the value of A equal to 35. Since A equal to 35, the entire diagram is being solved. What we have done, we had taken discovery as 1 point, 330, add all the values and subtract from 330. We get the value of unknown region as A plus 15. Similarly, from starward 330, we add all the values and subtract from 330. We get the value of unknown region as 85 minus A. Since these two regions are equal, we equate them. So A plus 15 is equal to 85 minus A. 2A is equal to 70. So A is equal to 35. Let's move to questions. A is equal to 35. So we can fill the region marked as A plus 15. That is 50. And where we have written A, we can write as 35. So 55 minus A becomes 55 minus 35 is 20. So this completes the whole diagram. Let's move to the questions. How many people watch only Discovery Channel and Starward? The region which we just found out. Only Discovery Channel and Starward is 50. Option B. This we have just find out. How many people watch only Discovery Channel and Starward? Only word is used. So BBC and Star News doesn't come. Only Discovery Channel and Starward. How many people watch BBC but do not watch Discovery Channel? Now 315 people watch BBC, but they should not come under Discovery Channel. So what comes in? 15 plus 40 plus 30 plus 90. So 90 plus 30 is 120, plus 40 is 160, plus 15 is 175, which is given as option D. BBC but not Discovery Channel. So we cannot go outside BBC, but we cannot come into Discovery. So values are 4 region: 15, 40, 30 and 90. How many people watch exactly 2 channels? Now there are 6 regions which represent exactly 2 channels. So sum of all is 50 plus 20 plus 50 plus 15 plus 35 plus 30. 50 plus 20 is 70, plus 50 is 120. 1535 is again 50, 170 plus 30 is 200. That is option A. There are 6 regions which represents exactly 2. Question 25. How many people took part in the survey? Now most important point, none is given as 0. That's why we can add the sum of all. Otherwise answer would have been cannot be determined. How many people took part in the survey? Just count. Since none is 0, therefore sum of all the values inside the diagram. Now discovery is already 330 counted, plus 100 plus 15 plus 40 plus 35. This is a remaining starward outside discovery, plus 90 plus 30 plus 70. So when you add all the values, 330 plus 100 is 430, 15 plus 35 is 50, 30 plus 50 is 480, plus 40 is 520, plus 100 is 620, plus 90 is 710. That comes out to be option C. Discovery we already know is 330. So we add 330 as discovery. Then starward, inside starward but outside discovery there are 4 values: 100, 15, 40 and 35. We add those. Plus remaining values of BBC and Star News 90, 30 and 70. So adds up to already 710. Since none equal to 0, so we can safely say 710 people part in the survey. I hope this is clear. Thank you. Thanks.